The best essential oils for toothache. Toothache is a very strong pain, but pain treatment is usually expensive, and not everyone can access these medications. There are some alternatives for managing toothache that are cheap and are essential oils. However, it is important that the use of these products is not prolonged for more than 2 to 3 days, since if the pain persists, it may require appropriate attention by a dentist. And what are essential oils? Essential oils are highly concentrated solutions and have medicinal, healing, and therapeutic properties. Some properties such as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, analgesic, antiseptic, antifungal, and antiviral are well known. And what kind of essential oils can help us with toothache? Clove oil. This contains eugenol, which is an analgesic that can provide pain relief as strong as using benzocaine. It also has antibacterial properties. You must apply it at the source of the pain, that is, exactly on the tooth or tooth. Apply it with a cotton. Thyme oil. You can find it in any supermarket, and it also has antibacterial properties. You can apply it with a cotton ball, or you can use a few drops in water to use it as a rinse. Peppermint oil. Reduces the biofilm of the teeth, helping to clean teeth and gums. It has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and analgesic properties. To use peppermint oil for a toothache, add 10 drops of peppermint oil to a cup of water and use as a mouthwash. Spit out the oil and don't swallow it. Cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties. Helps fight tooth decay and bad breath. To use it, take a couple of drops of peppermint essential oil and apply it on the affected area. Also, cinnamon oil can be added to water for a mouthwash. Green tea oil. Tea tree oil is the most effective essential oil for relieving dental discomfort. It does an excellent job of relieving tooth and gum pain. Thank you very much for what you have explained. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental, as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, St. Paul Adventure, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.